Hey WeSo family! Welcome back to another episode of WeSo Health Tips, your space for all things health, wellness, and natural remedies. Today, we're diving into Callaloo, a nutrient-packed superfood that has nourished generations across cultures. Want stronger bones? Boost your heart health? Sharpen your mind? This incredible leafy green can do all that and more. Stick around because we're about to break down its benefits, history, and delicious ways to enjoy it. And before we get started, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep getting the best health tips. Callaloo is packed with nutrients that fuel your body. Vitamin C, immune booster. Vitamin K, essential for strong bones, teeth, and nails. Iron, it supports blood health, prevents anemia, and boosts energy. Fiber, improves digestion, supports gut health, and helps with weight management. Tocotrienols, powerful compounds that support heart health. And brain function. Antioxidants, protect against aging, inflammation, and chronic diseases. How does this impact your health? Stronger bones, Callaloo's vitamin K is a key player in calcium absorption, keeping bones resilient. Brain boost, tocotrienols can help lower the risk of cognitive diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Heart protection, studies suggest tocotrienols in Callaloo may help lower cholesterol levels. Skin and hair, vitamin A helps collagen production for youthful skin and strong, moisturized hair. Ready to put Callaloo on your plate? Stay with me. Scientists have studied the cancer-fighting properties of flavonoids, and guess what? Callaloo is full of them. What are free radicals? These unstable molecules damage cells and accelerate aging. How Callaloo helps? Its flavonoids neutralize free radicals, preventing cellular damage and lowering cancer risk. Additionally, phytonutrients in cruciferous vegetables, like Callaloo, are linked to reduced risks of colorectal, breast, and prostate cancer. They help regulate cell growth, potentially preventing abnormal cell changes that lead to cancer. Fact check. Some studies suggest that a daily intake of leafy greens like Callaloo can reduce inflammation markers associated with disease prevention. Would you love to see more science-backed health content? Comment below and let me know. Callaloo is more than food, it's history, resilience, and culture on a plate. Originating from West African cuisine, Callaloo was traditionally prepared with local leafy greens and spices. During the transatlantic slave trade, enslaved Africans brought their cooking traditions to the Caribbean, adapting them to native plants like amaranth leaves and taro leaves. Callaloo became a staple in Caribbean households, nourishing, sustaining, and celebrating the cultural fusion of African, indigenous, and European influences. Fun fact, in Trinidad and Tobago, Callaloo is commonly made with taro leaves, coconut milk, and okra, creating a rich and creamy texture. Jamaican style. In Jamaica, amaranth leaves are sautéed with onions, garlic, tomatoes, and Scotch bonnet peppers, sometimes paired with saltfish. Where are my Caribbean food lovers? Drop a heart in the comments if you love Callaloo. Now that you know the benefits, how do you cook Callaloo? Try these simple and delicious ways to enjoy it. Breakfast, sautéed with eggs or paired with dumplings. Side dish, stir-fried with garlic, onions, and herbs. Smoothie boost, yes. Blend it with banana and ginger for a nutrient-packed drink. Soup and stew, cook with coconut milk, okra, and smoked meats for a rich, creamy dish. Tell me in the comments, how do you love your Callaloo? Let's share ideas. Callaloo is your go-to superfood, fuel your health naturally. Drop a comment with your favorite Callaloo dish. Like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with WeSo Health Tips. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next episode.